Hi, my name is Andy Crawls. I'm the founder of Lower Blood Pressure, Drug-Free. Wouldn't it be great if there was an all-natural blood pressure control method that was clinically proven in over 10 studies, drug-free, herb-free, has zero side effects, and is physician recommended? Great news, there is. Lower blood pressure, drug-free, will show you the easy, clinically proven breathing patterns that will permanently lower your blood pressure. We're not talking about temporary results. We're talking about a simple technique that will change your life. The traditional solution for high blood pressure is taking pills. Unfortunately for most people, pills really aren't any solution at all. They have two major drawbacks. Number one, blood pressure pills don't cure high blood pressure. They just cover up the real underlying issue, sort of like a chemical band-aid. Number two, blood pressure pills have terrible side effects that include depression and impotence, just to name a few. But their number one very worst side effect is whatever they're covering up is just going to get worse. If you have high blood pressure, your body is trying to tell you something. Instead of covering up the issue with pills, wouldn't it make more sense to get to the heart of the matter? A major cause of high blood pressure is from when our blood vessels simply get too tight. It's a process called vasoconstriction. When the blood vessels are too tight, your heart has to work harder and your blood pressure goes up. The trick to lowering your blood pressure is to get the blood vessels to relax. One way is with pills, but as we've discussed, that's really a false cure. The best way to get those blood vessels to relax is to simply tell them to. You see, the body has some secret combinations, like a padlock. Lower blood pressure, drug-free, will show you the easy, scientifically proven breathing patterns that trigger your body to permanently lower your blood pressure. All you do is listen and breathe and let nature take care of the rest. The drug industry has no interest in curing high blood pressure. They only make money from creating addictions. Lower blood pressure, drug-free, goes straight to the root of high blood pressure. It doesn't mask it. It goes right to the cause. Our goal is to, with your physician's approval, let you reduce or eliminate your need for blood pressure drugs. Let the clinically proven power of guided breathing work for you too, with lower blood pressure, drug-free. To learn more about natural ways to control your blood pressure without drugs, visit us at lowerbloodpressure, drug-free.com.